there'd be no loneliness, and love would fall like raindrops if I could make a wish. Heaven had its own private line, so we could call our loved ones anytime, that hearts would never hate, there was food on every plate, and compassion hung like berries on a vine. I wish every road was like an old sweet song, that we all could find a place where we belong. When I put this pen away, everything would be okay, that all was right, nothing would be wrong. If I could make a wish and know it would come true, each sunrise and sunset would chase away the blues. There'd be no pain or heartache, there'd be no loneliness, and love would fall like raindrops if I could make a wish. There'd be no pain or heartache, there'd be no loneliness, and love would fall like raindrops if I could make a wish.
Y'all ever heard Truer Words? I don't know if I have. Yeah,
David,
me too.
thank you for that beautiful song that we got to record on our newest album, and we've got CDs for sale over here.